Hey, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time that you're here. My name's Kristin, and today I was actually planning on redecorating the back deck. However, Mother Nature had separate plans for me because it was raining and yucky out. I did want to do a 5 tips to stay on top of your laundry. So that's what we're doing. If it's something that you're interested in, keep on watching. So tip number 1 is to have one central laundry location. So that means no hampers in everybody's rooms. That means that the washing machine just turned on. So I'm gonna move. All right, so what we have is we have 2 laundry baskets. That's it. There's no other laundry baskets in the house. So if you have dirty laundry, you bring it and you put it into the bins. And I don't go crazy on separating stuff. This one is for dark clothes and that one is for light clothes. I don't wash my towels separate because I try to do at least 1 load a day. And that just keeps me caught up on laundry. All right, so tip number 2 is to actually fold your laundry right out of the dryer. So don't put it in a hamper and then stick it in the corner. Number 1, all of your clothes are gonna get super wrinkly. And I don't iron. The only thing I use my iron for is craft projects. There's actually even times when I will restart the dryer if it had stopped quite a long time ago, just to get the wrinkles out. Another good thing about nobody having hampers in their room is that we tend to lose less socks. Because if you're doing tons of laundry, there's chances of socks getting lost. So if you keep up with them, then you don't lose your socks. So that was the last load of laundry that I did. I have laundry in the washing machine, and I have about probably 1 load of darks and then 1 load of lights. Tip number 3 is to put everything away once it's done. If you're doing a load each day, there's not a lot to put away and it's less stressful and less daunting. So I will put my stuff away. Tip number 4 is that we hang probably 90% of our stuff up. It's easier to throw clothes on a hanger than it is to fold them, put them in drawers, and then when you're looking for something, you're pulling all the stuff out and then everything ends up on the floor. Whatever you can hang up, try to hang up. Obviously, we put like our underwear, socks, pajamas, all that other stuff in drawers. But if you can hang up more things, it's easier to put your clothes away. The last tip that I have for you guys is to make sure that your washing machine is completely empty before you go to bed. So if that means that there's stuff in the dryer, fold that stuff really quick, hang it up, and then throw your stuff from the washing machine into the dryer so that it is not sitting in the washing machine and then forgotten in the morning when you're getting up, rushing to get out the door, and all that other stuff. When you get home from work or you get home from your busy day, then you have an empty washing machine and you can start the process all over. So there you have it. Those are the 5 main things that I do that help me stay on top of laundry. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you click that little red subscribe button below. If you want to be notified anytime I upload a video, you can click the little bell and that'll send a notification right to your phone or your tablet or your computer. So that was it. If it helped, let me know how it helped. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later.